Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute up on the beat, and as you can see, the top shatters is back. Up in that them tone, putting out a comment section where you think about that. Cause you know Vybz KarteL, he lives in Florida right now. And you know Squash seemingly seems like he's going to be deported. Cause you know, say he's in prison, jail right now, awaiting trial. This April 21st. It's a man say, for you know the knockers thing, you don't know the thing said, a man cartel is good, but you know, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Squash mother deal with the people them aware, you know my people, not cartel, but you know, the naysayers them. So let's hear what go on for not to go on and proceed with the next.
Yes. Right, this cockroach in my house now. No cockroach in a body hole can sleep on cardboard like dog. Big up yourself. When I sleep on cardboard, that's on have a quick. You see someone look when I went to the wake up on a head full of borbor. You see how someone know? But I lay down on the bed falling out to all the bed done. The bed no firm. No one, no sheet. The cover can live in a little bed just falling out two like blood clot egg sandwich. You can't come for me, you bright on blood clot. I come on my page. Good donkey man, damper donkey. Hey. I come on my page man, cause come like you no shame. No shame for you, you know. The girl gonna look some money make pan TikTok now. One rose or two rose goon or something. Girl gonna look some money make pan TikTok man. No money now make pan for me page. Nothing. Hi good night. Money now make over yes man. Girl gonna look some money make for yourself now. Wanna come down so. Yes, I get the sugar and the sweet in my tea and it make me sweet. Eh? You get cock in your body hole? You get cock in your bottom? What you get in your body? You fuck your mother? Or you feel when you fuck your mother drunk up? Your mother pussy now no sugar and it is salt. Make them stay, come love for disrespect them. Let they stay. I feel good cussing them. The little suck with them. Hey, Wagwan. May I pay them mind tonight because my belly full. I get sugar and sweet in my tea. Me nah poop now cause me drink up my tea early. Enough of them boy, you see enough of them boy upon this? Yes, enough of them boy upon this, they wear panty pad. A pussy pum pum punani. Them a wear pad. I don't care what they do. I don't care what they do. Cause you need to come suck me and suck my son Dranko. Enough of them now live long, you know. Enough of them now live long. Enough of them a waste matter. Waste his feces, flush them in a toilet. A lot of them. He's great. The phone not live long. Cause uno follow, uno no leader. You see what uno the blood clot dead. Eh? Eh? No nonsense. No go me have somebody dead. Uno bad mind, uno can't sing. Uno does bad mind, all uno can is comment. Thank you, V. We are not in a society. No logi, desperate, hungry, low life, dog. All my dog and my yard them better than uno. Yes, the cricket them a ball for me and my ancestor them. The cricket them are my ancestor, them me live with, them are my man. Them crawl in and out of me. So through me come out now, the cricket them a ball for me go inside back and they want to have intercourse. So I soon going back to the cricket them. I soon going back, baby. The cricket them need me. Yes, I'm so broke. Send me some money, go now. Like I'm broke, send me something to drink. Come and piss in your mouth. You dirty whore. Pick up. Good night. All the time. I don't care with them. I want to hold some of them and see. I want to hold some of them in real life. Look, I have this section and I have this section. They have rooms for me to whip off to choose from. What do you tell me, say? Eh? Let me see the fan work. Let me see. So when I no come, I can get some cool breeze, eh? Ooh, Jesus. My dress, you know, say I'm a friend from my avant. My girlfriend dress. My girlfriend come from foreign. I'm going to want to drum about a frack here. My friend come from foreign. I'm going to go over her house. I never bring no clothes. I didn't bring no clothes, you know. And my friend say, my bed. And my friend give me a dress to put on. She named Lily. Yes. And my friend frack, she named Lily. My friend frack me. I know say I know for my friend frack. I'm mother frack, you know. I'm mother frack. Two of them me take her from her. Yes, I'm a girlfriend named Lily dress me take away. She can put on a me not care back. Two of them. Cause they comfortable. So I'm mine now, yes. My girlfriend come down and me go my house to spend 2 days and I didn't care much rest. Yes. No. Yeah, I'm a girlfriend. Alright, may I ask you something? I never got no friend them yard yet. Like we stay over and then give something to put on. Eh? Yes, I'm a girlfriend dress Lily. I may just come lick me. Come suck me, come charm me, shan. You remember when they fuck and spray back juice in your pussy hole, fuck and give your back juice, shan. Dirty, nasty, shan. Lick up Bertha body hole. And then shit pan sauce give you for name, shan. Dirty, nasty, blood clot, shan. What sweep up belly body hole. Eh? You remember when... You remember when they see shit and tell people in your body hole when they carry on the bush where you fuck the whole of them from starting fuck out your body hole, shan. Move on, blood clot, go where you're done. Cause suck me unknown. You stink and nasty like dog. Shan, why you hold a man and fuck on a banana walk? And give him back juice. I don't business. For them slip them blood clot side. Yes, for them slip them slide. Sorry. Me think of this. Me have to put on my glasses because me not see good. Me blind. Me blind enough to see with me. Me under ecstasy and Mali. Yeah. Sorry, Shanson. Sorry. Boy, I'm a mistake if it's somebody else, sorry. One girl named Shanshan when me wear one blood clot dirt. So I think when she's sorry. Blood clot, cho. Here, my bed. Can't pop down. Me a troublemaker, then you know when the people me trouble me. When the people me trouble me. You hear that call me troublemaker? And then me trouble me. Thank you, V. No, me go disrespect them. Those I couldn't can come from my page, can comment. Then if you take it back, I need them blood clot. Yeah, I want to serve God, you know. But you know, a temptation, put up, you know, say, up your demon up. The up your demon, you know, say, go brush my teeth. The up your demon, Satan upon this, and I can cure my company, say, me not answer, you know. You come draw me out, you know. Jesus Christ, Father God, I can't tell yo. You have yard? You have a blood clot yard, big back girl, big bony, nasty, stinking, dirty blood clot, Carlo. See, you mothers can't get on blood clot bed down the whole day. Don't invite me to your funeral, dirty girl. Lift up half of this and go and go sell your tongue. I'm going to sell your mouth because your body hold done. Yes, I'm good. They go angry them come in. I don't want to invite me at their funeral. So, come on. You will get blocked too. Maybe you go unblock Shanson. What me I cause blame them for? Blame them don't do me nothing. Go suck your man, go with TikTok drama. Yourself fuck your mouth like a dog. Take baby out of your mouth. But cause blame them. Pa uno. Uno see everybody make money upon the media. Uno come by every comment. Uno say no money now make over my page. Go over one page try make some money now. Uno come over my page but now get no money more than disrespect. Go over the page. Thank you. Go over the page, your man. Go look money now. No fool, so. Thank you. Go over one page, yo. Go make some money, man. On the top of the fuck with. Okay. Look how much money I give you upon it. Okay. 8 o'clock. Look how much money I give you upon it. I'm gonna make some money, no, man. I pray. And top come on, got no money now make over here, so no fool, so. Wanna love disrespect? Okay. Nothing, you're good? When? Oh. Okay. California. Like I make gonna get no blood clot pay and I have no ton camel for name like a dog. Never around 4 big bag of camel when my boy sitting down in a barrel around there. How much tin this and tin that and sitting around there. You can't go no something. Bumble clot hungry. Come go no mango go sell a market. Thank you.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, you know, it's always something, you know, my people. We can never be happy truly as a fans because we see Cartel and others go in and come out, but it always seems like, you know, somebody else always are going. You know. And you know, Cartel and Squash have its song already. And boy, imagine if Squash did free right now in a Florida with Cartel. The problems all, yeah, you know. But I'm just giving them quick update what I go on for that to go on, you see me? Bless.